Namaste. I am Sakshi Dubey, Community Service Director of Rotary Club TIT and Science. Today we are celebrating 74th Independence Day, the 74th glorious day.
Rani Lakshmibai was one of the leading warriors of India's first struggle for independence, a symbol of bravery, patriotism, and honor. Rani Lakshmibai was born in 19 November 1828 at Varanasi. Her actual name was Manikarnika. Her father, Morpant Tambe, was a court advisor, and mother, Bhagirathi, was a scholarly woman. At a very early age, she lost her mother. Her father unconventionally raised her and supported her to learn how to ride elephants and horses and also to use weapons effectively. She grew up with Nana Sahib and Tatya Tope, who were active participants in the first revolt of independence. In 1842, Rani Lakshmibai got married to Raja Gangadhar Rao, who was the Maharaj of Jhansi. After her marriage, she came to be known as Lakshmibai. In 1851, she gave birth to the son, but unfortunately, he died in his 4th month. After this tragic incident, Damodar Rao was adopted by the Maharaj of Jhansi as his son, moved by the death of his son and his poor health. Maharaj Gangadhar Rao also died on 21st November 1853. When the Maharaj died, Rani Lakshmibai was just 18 years old, but she didn't lose her courage and took up her responsibilities. For strengthening the defense of Jhansi, Rani Lakshmibai assembled an army of rebellions, which also include women. For this great cause, she was supported by brave warriors like Ghulam Ghosh Khan, Dost Khan, Khuda Baksh, Sundar Mundra, Kashi Bai, Lala Bahu Bakshi, Moti Bai, Diwan Raghunath Singh, and Diwan Jawahar Singh. She assembled 14,000 rebels and organized an army for the defense of the city. अब मैं आपसे उनके जीवन का चित्रण करना चाहती हूँ। जुड़कर देखिएगा, आप भी प्रशंसा का पात्र होंगे जो इन पंक्तियों के श्रोता बने तो। थी मनु एक नारी, मूरत न्यारी, गंगा नगरी कौशल एक मराठा थी, छेल छबीली चंचल मन की, वह राव गंगाधर की विहाता थी। वो रानी बन गई झांसी की और दामोदर फिर पुत्र हुआ। जब युद्ध लड़े तो जीत गई, ये तो वीर बधू की गाथा थी। लक्ष्मी बनकर मनु ने जब झांसी राज्य संभाला था, उनके एक हाथ में बर्ची थी, दूजे में सचता भाला था। काल की गोद में गंगाधर थे, मुख पर मृत्यु की प्याली थी। वीरान सांसें छीन गई उनसे, नियति खेल खेली निराला थी। साहस की एक छवि गढ़ी फिर, लक्ष्मी खुद दुर्गा रूप भवानी थी और 100 सर के हार बनाए वो लक्ष्य विजय की ठानी थी। जब लड़ते लड़ते युद्ध भूमि में वह सांसों का पिंजरा हार गई, एक त्याग समर्पण की मूरत वो झांसी पर अपनी सांसें बारी थी। धन्यवाद।